How to Doordash with cash. First things first is open up your Doordash application and ensure that you're logged into your account. Before you go ahead and place any order of food from Doordash, ensure that that specific shop where you will be ordering your foods are has this kind of feature that says COD or cash on delivery. Because not all the stores, or around 70 to 80% of the stores on your location, is actually doing payment methods such as digital payments or the card that you have from the app. So just simply go directly to the checkout page on your order field and change your payment method into cash on delivery. And that's it. That's how you do DoorDash with cash.